Yeah. Okay. So I want you to tell me the name of the lines. What lines we learned.
The segment,
Right
straight
line,
line,
straight
straight
line,
line,
raised
straight line, and
Yeah, very good, very good. And what does it mean, the letter P?
point.
Point. Okay. How is form, or how do we form a segment? A segment.
With
with 2
points,
points
in
in the middle.
points.
Yeah.
Like that's it. Like the sample that is in the
That
book.
is
Yeah.
unlimited.
2 arrows,
Yeah.
It has limit.
2 arrows and 2 points.
Yeah, very good. So, and the two arrows means that we don't have limit, right? With
No.
the line
Infinite.
doesn't have
But it
limit.
is
Okay.
infinite. Only one
But when
arrow limit.
yeah, and when we
Each
have
line in one
one line, when one
point.
side has a point and the other an arrow, we
The other arrow becomes the other arrow. There is the
how do
point.
we call that arrow?
Ray.
Or that line, sorry. Ray.
Ray.
Ray. Very good. Okay, are you on page 47?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. It says, look at the picture. Okay, look at the picture and answer the questions. So you see an image there? Hesiel, we are on page 47, Hesiel, in math. Page 47. Yeah, you are? Okay, Hesiel is not ready. He's not ready. Ready for the exam Monday?
Why are mister? We don't have to study, mister. Mister, do it.
Okay, no, I'm kidding. Well, no, I'm waiting Hesiel. Hesiel is bringing the book.
Once upon a time. Mister, we only have 40 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Okay, and this is a picture using just lines. Okay, what kind of line you see in this image that you have at the beginning?
We have a straight line,
Uh-huh.
semi-straight line, rays, and segments. One,
Okay.
2 rays, no, 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you have 4 rays. Okay, statement. Yeah, very good. Okay, the question A says, can you tell what it looks like or what form it has? What form you see from that image, from that picture?
You like anchor? What?
Like what? What image you see?
Like
Okay, it's something I'm going to give you a clue. It's something that the astronaut used to go to space.
what was the
Helmet.
What?
No.
Isn't the head?
The flag.
It's a transportation they used to go to space.
A coet.
The satellite.
No. Okay, it's a
Satellite.
rocket. A rocket. Okay, that picture.
Mommy.
A rocket. Okay, what difference can you see? What difference can you see in the lines?
That some ones are ray, straight lines.
Sorry?
Mister, and the B say, are all the lines equal?
Are all the lines equals? Of course.
Yes.
Are equals?
Yeah.
No, because you have segments, you have...
No.
Remember that we are not comparing the lines, okay? Not the lines. No. You have to be careful with the sides, okay? So in this case, all the lines are not equals, okay? And the C said, what difference can you see?
That some ones are rays, others
Okay.
straight.
Yeah, and then the answer would be some lines have arrows. Okay, some lines have arrows.
Mister, in what? The C or the B?
The C.
The C.
The C. Because the B says, are all the lines equals? No, there is.
No. Finish, Mr. The first one, what is Mr.
What is the answer, Mr. I don't remember.
Okay.
The B is the C.
A, the letter A is rocket. Okay.
Rocket.
Rocket. The letter B, as all the lines are are equals, no. The answer no. Okay. And the C, what difference can you see? As Eric says, there are rays, lines, segments, and then some lines have arrows. Okay, that is the answer. Some lines has arrows or have arrows.
Finish.
Everybody finish?
Yep. Application.
There are only 11.
And Mr. In this application, what we have to do?
Sorry?
Yes,
In an application that are millions of points.
No, this one not. This is only to have a reference. Okay, I'm going to show you my screen. I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so of course I'm not going to use the book, right? You have some points there, and these points are for you to guide, okay, when you are going to make a line, okay? That is the reason. Yeah? You got it? Yeah, but we are not going to use this one. We are not going to use this. So now we are going to go page 48. Page 48. Yeah, page 48. So it says the first point, match the name with its definition. That is what I told you, that you have to learn the definition for each one. Okay, so the number one says, it is a part of a straight line that has a beginning and at the end.
The ray.
Okay, I'm going to read again.
Wait, what?
It is a part of straight line. Okay, one part of the straight line that has a beginning and an end.
The segment.
That segment, yes.
Segment.
Because remember that this is the line, right, that we have here. Yeah?
Yeah.
If I write 2 points, or if I make 2 points, I have a segment. When I have a segment, it means that I have a beginning and end. Yeah? I have a beginning and end. Yes? Because that segment is limited. Yeah? Okay. The next one. It is a line of infinite points without a beginning or end.
Ray is ray.
As array or straight.
Okay.
Array, a straight
Pay
line.
attention. That is what I told you yesterday, that you have to learn to analyze what are you reading. It is a line of infinite points without beginning or end. What?
That's straight line.
Straight line. Straight line, because if we make a straight line as this one, I don't have beginning and I don't have end. Okay?
And the last one, yes.
Okay, right. Because when I don't have point, I don't have beginning and either end. Okay, the third one. Of course, the third one is array. Okay? It is a part of a straight line that has a beginning, but doesn't have the end. What does it mean? A beginning is where start the point, and the end, it doesn't have end because I have an arrow. Yeah,
The ray.
this is the ray. Very good. Ray. Okay, easy?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to analyze. Now we are going to analyze one exercise. Okay, problem solving. Draw a figure. Draw a figure. You have the points there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It says, draw the type of line that are being described below. Okay. The number one says, a straight line that passes through point A. What I have to do? What I have to do? Okay,
Ray.
I'm going to write here. I'm going to write here this the instruction. Okay, a straight line that passes. I'm going to teach you how to analyze. Okay, passes through. Okay, through point what?
A.
Point A. Okay, and then first of all, what I have to do? What is the first thing that is telling me?
That line that passes
through. First of all, I have to draw a line. Okay, first of all, I have to draw a line.
Use the
A straight line. Okay. Sorry. First of all, I have to draw a straight line. You did it?
Mister, it's a ray.
No, it's a
I
ray.
haven't finished. Okay, this is the first. Okay, the first part, a straight line that passes through a point A. We already did the straight line, yes? Now it says that passes through point 8. What does it mean? It means that I have to draw that I have to make a point
in the
and write the letter A. Okay?
yes.
And that is the answer.
Mr. But the points can be whatever point.
Sorry?
The points can be in whatever, how do you say?
In whatever place.
Yes.
No, maybe no.
Okay, in this case, remember that, okay, we have two sides, right?
Yes.
In this case, we are going to take through the right side. Okay, the right side in this case. Okay?
Okay.
You got it there? You did it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now we are going to analyze that too. Okay, that too. What it says that B?
A straight line that passes through point A in an array with an origin point at the same point A.
Okay, I'm going to read it again. Thank you, Eric. A straight line that passes through point A, an array with an origin point. What would be the origin point?
A.
At A, right?
And
The origin point at the same point A. Okay. So in this case, in the letter B, you are going to draw one, that's the same. Okay. In the part B, you are going to draw the same, this one. But it says, an array with the origin point at the same point A. Okay, where is the origin? This one, right? And then I'm going to make an array. It doesn't, do you remember that I told you it doesn't matter the position of the lines? Do you remember? it can be in different position. Always we are going to have,
It's in the A.
okay? This is in the B.
Okay.
This is in the B.
So, like, what is the B?
Ok, dicen, ¿por qué no, por qué lo hice aquí? Porque iba a ser lo mismo, por eso solo lo hice esto. Porque la B es lo mismo, ¿ok? Lo mismo. Porque me dice la misma instrucción de aquí, de la A. La única diferencia es que me dice que voy a hacer un ray desde el punto A. Por eso solo la hice así. ¿Ok? I'm going to write here A,
Okay.
B.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to erase this one. Not to confuse. Okay. Not to confuse. This is the part B. The B. Okay. Now the C. The C. Okay. The C. The C says, two rays, each one with an origin at A at the same point 8. How we are going to do that? First of all, what do we have to do?
A straight line.
A straight line.
No, because it says two rays. It's asking for the rays, no a straight line. Okay, no straight line. It's saying two rays, each one with an origin at the same point A. And then, what do you think is the first thing that we have to do?
The lines like this.
The
Like
line like this one.
No, to down.
Like this one. Okay.
Yes.
First of all, I have to make what? My initial?
With a point.
With the point. Exactly. With the point. Okay. With the point. Okay. And what is going to be the point? What letter?
The point A.
A, exactly. And then how many rays?
2.
2. Okay, I'm going to do the first one.
This side and the other down.
And the other down, exactly. Very good. Excellent, you understand. Yeah, and this is the C. Yeah. Just you have to be careful when you analyze, okay? You analyze. Okay? You got it? Lauren, I see that you are loose. Okay, this is very easy. Only you have to analyze, to reread the announcement or the statement to understand. Okay, that is very easy. Okay, we will continue with the part D. Okay, it says two straight lines. Now is asking me for straight lines. Okay, but we are going to continue reading. Two straight lines that intersect at point A. Okay, so we are going to take in consideration the A. Okay, we are going to draw one like A.
Yeah.
Okay, so that this is the D, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to draw one like A because he's asking me about the straight line. Yeah?
Yes.
But it says something important. It says two straight line that intersect at point A. What does it mean? when I
draw 2 lines.
sorry, when it says that is going to intersect the point A, what does it mean?
That down of the point, we have to write.
Okay, yes, that I
another.
have to draw another line. Okay, another straight line. Okay, we call this one intersection. Okay, okay, I have two straight line, one straight line, two straight lines. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. No.
Easy.
Yep. No.
Easy, yes or not?
Yes,
So I want you to, I know that this hour,
Yeah.
I know that this hour is very, very hard, but I want you to understand, okay? Because the exam comes this, okay?
Only 5 minutes, Mr. Rotti.
Don't worry, don't worry. We have time. If you want 2 hours of math, we have the 2 hours. Okay,
No.
letter E. Letter E is a little bit large, the instruction, okay? A very long instruction.
Very long.
Okay, it says a segment, okay? We have a segment from point A to B. Okay, what we are going to do there? What do you think?
We have to.
The segment is a
segment.
line.
Yeah, it's a segment, but what we are going to do? What is the segment reference?
That it has 2 points.
2 points,
The A
exactly.
and B.
Points.
And then we are going to draw 2 points. 1
2 arrows.
and it doesn't matter if we don't have the arrows. In this case, just is asking for the segment, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Jesus is paying attention. Remember that scene, okay? So it says a segment from point A, this is going to be my point A, and this is going to be my
the B.
point B.
The other one is the B.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the exercise continue. A segment from point B to C.
In the
What does it
middle,
mean?
in the middle, Mr.
No,
The middle.
it says from B to C.
To B.
To draw a
B.
line.
To draw a line.
The line to put
Okay.
the point C.
Exactly. Okay. C.
And then
And it
say
says,
to B.
and a
And
segment from
then
point
to
C,
the-
point C
And a segment
to D.
to D.
C to D.
Then we draw another line to the other side.
Another line.
Oh,
C to the D.
like this.
Okay.
Mister, I think I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding at all.
Wow.
You only have to connect lines.
Yes, you
Yeah.
want to connect the
We're
line.
doing
Gordo.
the
Yes, but the anterior line is just like the same time. For example, the C is like the B but modified, or what? Or
Yes,
how?
Oh.
and here when you connect the C to the D, then you
Okay.
have to connect the D to the
Rafael,
A.
you to understand this. First of all, the first thing that you have to do is to learn the lines. If you don't learn the lines, the name of the lines, you are not going to
Yes.
understand.
From A
Okay.
to B. The line A, the line
Okay.
B.
No. I'm talking about this one.
No.
If you don't recognize the
Uh-huh.
lines, if you don't recognize the lines, of course you are not going to understand. I have a question for you. Did you receive this class when I explained this?
Yeah. I don't think so. Maybe I wasn't it.
You have to be sure because I explained this.
Well, I don't remember, so maybe I didn't attend that class.
One thing, okay,
Yes.
as I told, I remember that I is called to to Jedit, because when I was explaining this class, Jedit was playing with the cards.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I say, Jedit, pay
No,
attention. If you are going to connect,
I
please don't
Or
lose your
playing the
time.
card.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think that I don't know, I was in
Okay.
the car or
You to understand.
it wasn't live.
Okay, listen. You to understand this one that we are doing first, you have to learn this one. What is a straight line? What is a semi-straight line? What is a ray? And what is a segment? That is the first thing that you have to learn. Okay?
Okay.
Did you do these exercises? Do you have
Yes.
these exercises
Yes.
in your notebook?
Mhm.
Sure.
Yes.
Mm.
Because right now in my grammar, but in my house, yes, I have it.
Okay. I be explaining this one. Okay. So why we write this one? What is a segment? A segment is a line with 2 points. Okay.
Okay.
And that is why it says the exercise. That the exercise E. It says a segment from point A to point B. I have a segment. This is a segment. Point A,
Okay.
point B. Later it says the exercise. A segment from point B to point C. It doesn't matter the position. Okay, it doesn't matter the position. The thing is that that segment has the point. Yeah.
Okay.
Then the exercise says a segment from point C to point D. I have another segment. Why? Because I have 2 points. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then the exercise says point D, okay, and a segment from point D to point D. What I'm going to do?
you need to connect A
To
to
connect.
D to A.
A to
Exactly.
the A.
D,
D to the A.
D with A. Okay,
Yes.
and
Be
that's
like
all.
a square.
Okay,
Yeah.
now you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now it says here, just you have to analyze what it says. A straight line that passes through a point A. Okay, this is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. It says passes through a point A. I make a point and write the letter A. So you have to follow the instructions. The B says, I'm sorry guys for, the straight line is the same line, straight line. Okay, that passes through a point A and a ray. What is a ray? A ray is a line with a point and an arrow. This is a ray.
Array. Okay.
This is a ray. And it says a ray with our origin point. What is the origin point? The letter.
The point.
Yeah. And then
The
as I told
point.
you, it doesn't matter the position. I'm going to make the ray. And I have an array line here.
Okay.
This one. Yeah.
The exercise F means
Okay, exercise F. Move here. Okay, it's important that you tell me when you don't understand, because in the exam, I don't want to tell me, Mr. I don't understand. Okay, you have that time now. Okay, it says three rays, each one with a common starting point A. Okay, first of all, we are going to start with the point. Yeah, I'm going to make the point with this one. Now, it says 3 rays. How we are going to do 3 rays? Okay.
Like in the sea, but
yeah, like in the sea. Okay. 1. Okay. 2.
And the other 3.
And 3. What I had 3 rays? Because it says I have that point here. Okay, that point here. And it says that the instruction says 3 rays, each one with a common, okay, what they have in common? The same point.
Yeah.
In common, starting point.
The same.
I'm going to write A there.
Starting point A.
Okay, point A. Let's see, we don't have time. Please do the G and the H. And on Monday, we are going to check. Okay, por favor, chicos, el que no entienda, pregunte. No se quede con eso de que, ay, sí que entiendo. No, el día del examen no me vaya a estar diciendo, mister, no le entiendo o qué hay que hacer. Ok, entonces, pregunte ahora o calle para siempre. Porque así yo estoy explicando los sábados sobre esto. El que no entiende, entonces, por favor, pregunte, como Rafael. ¿Ok?
Mister,
Let's see, we don't have enough time. I see you on Monday. Para los estudiantes que no han entregado tareas, los voy a conectar para que me suban todo eso mañana.
Mister.
Para trabajar con ustedes. ¿Ok?
See you at
Sorry?
Teacher, Laura has tutoring.
Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow tutoring.
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Mr. But the next class, what is?
We
finished?
don't have more class.
Remember that Friday only, the classes are only 30 minutes. We finish at 12:15.
So there are no
You're
more
very
classes.
happy, right?
Bye, mister.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, mister.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.